Hello everyone, greetings for the day. I hope you have watched the other video that I have uploaded, uh, mostly focusing on the background of this painting. And I'm currently working on the main focal point, that is the lonely bird, and it is fairly brown, so I'm just going with the brown tints altogether here, trying to, you know, bring the base color down so that I can work on top of it. The paint mixture I have used is brown and red, and I just want to have the harmonious effects where the red flowers would not uh, stand so bright nearby the earthy tone that I'm going to put in here. So I just used a little bit of red, so the brightness of the bird and the contrast will go well together. So I have introduced myself earlier, and let me know what I can work on to, you know, bring more audience to this channel. And I'm not tutoring or trying to explain you how my method works and all. I'm just a artist starting out, so I have my own hacks and I have my own method of painting. I just want to share with you guys like friends do, and see how I'm processing and be fairly good to what I do, so that only I started this YouTube channel. And here I'm going for the palest mid-tone possible, so that is the brown and gray mixture that I'm using right now to bring out the darkest possible parts of the body and feather-like structures that is there on this bird. If you want to bring the hyper-realistic effect on feathers, then you have to go with fairly thin Irish brushes to bring out every detail of the feathers. Clearly, I'm not doing that here. I'm just going with bold brush strokes and trying to bring out the basic shapes. With that, it would look like uh, darker feathers that are joined together, but it wouldn't look like the hyper realistic effect of those feathers being, settled up there in a pleasing way on the bird. So go for it if you have confidence on your hyper realistic or realistic works. So I'm judging the midtones and making it darker, and trying to apply it where the feathers ends and the shadows appears. So that's all. That's all I'm doing right now. I've worked. Most of the parts are to look at it for the first time. It might look a lot like dark brown or black. So if you just take your black and go with it, it would be a lot difficult to correct when you find that you've done some mistakes, or if you want to, lighten those areas and you already used a black here, so it will bleed through and it will make very difficult to correct. So go with very light watery tones first, and then go build up your layers. And if you have good quality paper, it wouldn't um, go much bad when you put layers on it. So you just have to wait till it dries and go with the next layer. It will work fine, don't worry about it. And here the beak and the crown of the bird, that has dark black as I can see in the photos, but you still have to build the layers with grays and browns and blues, so that it will give the most clear understanding about how the value is changing. So in the bird's face, I'm using the dark mixture right now, and I'm trying to bring that in the bodily feathers of the bird, so it wouldn't take dominance over the whole bird. the if you use the black mixture directly uh, into the face of the bird, then it would just draws your attention with all its ability, and you will not focus on the body of the mm, bird at all. So I'm just bringing out the darks and adding it in the details of the body of the body of the bird, so it would look some more you know harmonious, and the colors are spread around, and the bird, it still has the ability to pop through the background. And I'm correcting the background a little bit here, where when you focus on the focal point of the painting, the nearest background should at least look a little more far, and the 3D effect that you bring on, which lies closer to your eyes, and which like further to your eyes, these and all has to be understandable, so that it looks nice when you see it. So that's where I'm working on right now. I'll then add a little bit of shadows here and there with very pale gray mixtures in the face, um, uh, downward cheeks of the bird, so that the white contrast wouldn't come through like too much sharp. So that I will do, and go with the little bit details that I see on the bird's eye, like a little bit of red dot and a yellow dot that is there nearby the eyes cornea. So if that finishes, and I'll be finishing the painting as well. So let me know, what do you think I can improve. I'm just open for feedback. I'm not an professional artist. I'm just opening this channel so that I will be more focused towards um, how I'm working. I'll have more feedback from you guys to understand where I'm doing wrong. For this purpose only, I've creating this video. It's not a tutor kind of videos. I'll just share whatever methods that I think could work in the paintings that I am working on. That's all. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll finish up within a minute or so. So thank you guys.